Rent renewals in Dubai are a hot topic right now. Whether you're a tenant or a landlord, understanding the ins and outs of Dubai's rental laws is crucial. In today's video, we are breaking down everything you need to know about rent price, notice periods, and eviction reasons under Dubai's Real Estate Regulatory Agency, also known as RERA. Let's start with rent price increases. Thanks to RERA's clear guidelines, landlords can't just raise rent on a whim. Instead, they have to follow the RERA Rental Increase Calculator, which what it does is checking the current rent against the area's average. I'm gonna show you how it works. So let's say that there is 0 to 10% below market value, there is no rent increase allowed. If the rent is below 11 to 20% of market value, there is a 5%. 21 to 30%, there will be a 10%. If it's over 30% below, then a maximum of 20% increase will be permitted. Using this calculator, landlords ensure rent hikes are justified and tenants can double check in any proposal of increases. Fair for both sides, right? Next up, let's talk about notice periods, which are really critical for lease renewals and terminations. Landlords and tenants both have obligations here. Let's learn more. If a landlord plans to increase rent or adjust lease, they must notify the tenant at least 90 days before the lease expires. Miss that, and the lease renews automatically on the same terms. Tenants, on the other hand, also need to notify landlords 90 days in advance if they are planning not to renew. This keeps things very fair and avoids surprises for both parties. Now, let's move on to eviction. Dubai's rental laws are designed to prevent unfair evictions, but there are specific reasons that a landlord can legally ask a tenant to leave. So what are those? These are sale of a property. In this event, the landlord needs to notify 12 months written notice via notarized letter or registered mail. They can also notify personal use. Landlord or a close relative is willing to occupy the property, so the same 12 months pre-notice, or maybe there is a major renovation or demolition that affects not only the outlook of the property, but the need to keep it safe. Another reason is non-payment, but in this event, the notice period will not be 12 months and it can be pursued immediately. Notice how Dubai's laws demands not just only a fair reason, but also formal procedures. The landlord must use a registered courier or notarized letter in order to notify the eviction. An email simply will not do. Understanding these regulations on rent increases, notice periods, and evictions is key to a smooth tenancy. Following RERA guidelines helps tenants and landlords avoid disputes and ensures a fair rental experience. If you are a tenant or a landlord in Dubai facing these challenges and need legal guidance on your rental contract, don't hesitate to reach out. We are here to help and help you navigate the process legally and smoothly. Thank you very much.